Hi, I'm Paul with RackOutfitters.com. Here to show you the Kuat Sherpa 2.0. This is a platform hitch rack. We currently have it installed on this Porsche Macan, and this vehicle is equipped with a 2-inch receiver hitch. There's also options for vehicles with 1.25-inch receiver hitches as well. So here currently we have it in the deployed position. I'll go ahead and put it in the stowed position and show how it's actually connected to the hitch. So it does have fold down front wheel cradles. There's a lever to put it into the stowed position. I'll remove the hitch pin and slide it out from the hitch to show the internals of the 2-inch receiver. There's a wedge that pushes this steel ball bearing into the corner of the receiver for a very effective anti-wobble both vertically and horizontally. So when you install a rack of this type, you want to have it in this stowed position, which makes it easier just to guide it with your leg. Drop it onto the bottom ledge of the hitch, bring it to vertical, slide it forward, and at this point I'll actually use the included Kuat hitch pin and insert it through the hitch pin hole and slide it until it reaches the hole in the rack. So I'm using that as a finder pin. Next, I want to pull back slightly on this rack to put a little bit of friction on that pin. Now here towards the back of the rack, this is where we actually tighten that wedge which pushes the ball bearing into the corner of your receiver. So you just get it snug, and then now what you have is a very, very positive connection into the hitch with no wobble whatsoever. Okay, and then you also have a security lock that you can, it's spring loaded, so I'll just go ahead and take the key out, cover up the keyhole with a rubber cover there, reach down and snap it. Okay, so now you have a very effective theft deterrent for the rack to your hitch. Okay, moving on up, I'll demonstrate the release lever. So this release lever is accessible from the top and bottom of the rack. So in this case, I can access and push with my foot, leaving one hand free to hold the bike and rotate that platform down. It'll automatically engage into the carrying position. I'll load a bike to do so. I'll bring this ratcheting hold down arm fully extended and out, bring up the front wheel cradle and release the rear wheel strap. And let me go ahead and grab a bike. This happens to be a road bike, however, this fits a wide range of different bicycle shapes and sizes. So I have the front wheel in place. What I'm going to do in the rear wheel is just dip down to capture that strap and then drop it on the rear wheel cradle, which automatically adjusts to the wheelbase length. Then for stability, I'll bring this hold down arm up. There's a slight notch in the top of this hook, which I want to have centered over the front tire. And I'm going to bring this hook as close as I can without touching to the first point of contact, essentially as you see it here. That's about where you want it. So once it does make contact, then you want to give it a good hard push downward to make sure it has a nice firm grip. And as you can see, it offers excellent stability for the bike. Now back to the rear, we've got a really tough, durable ratchet strap. However, on the underside, it has a co-molded rubber to be protective to the rim. I just run that strap through the buckle and it has a very solid, good connection to the vehicle. So another nice feature about this rack design is that you can lower the rack with the bike loaded to an access position and have full access to the back of the vehicle. It easily clears this rear hatch on this vehicle and most other rear hatches as well. To bring it back up, I'll grab the front nameplate here and lift. Automatically engages back into the carrying position. Another security feature here is for the bicycles. So included is a braided steel cable. So very, very strong, durable cable. I can run it through the wheel and through the frame, metal through the loop, and then lock it down in a very convenient, accessible location at the front of the rack. Plenty of excess length here to go around the second bike as well. So those are all the key features of this Kuat Sherpa 2.0. This product and the full line of Kuat products are available at rackoutfitters.com, and thanks for watching.